Alright, we're making a recording today at 1624 North 46. This is a shared sewer line between 1624 North 46 and 4609 Densmore Avenue North. Date's March 31st, 2021. I'm making this recording from the cleanout at 4609 Densmore. So we're going to pull back from here. We're at the city main right now. Pull back from the city main, get a look at the lining work that Bob Oates completed here and the repair work as well. So we're going to pull back from the main and get a look at this line. So as we come back from the main, immediately go in just a little bit, Chris, please. Push it in. There you go. A little further, 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 right there. You can see we go right into the main immediately after following the line where the liner ends goes immediately into the main. Coming back from there, we're in a 6-inch diameter new flow cure-in-place pipe liner. This was originally a concrete pipe. Had a hole in it that caused the jetter to get stuck. That opened a can of worms to doing this project. So coming back from that main, showing the lined section now. And then we come back right there into our PVC repair. So we dug a hole in the parking strip kind of at the corner here to expose a section of pipe in order to try to remove that jetter hose. This is the section of pipe that was cut out and removed. It's now PVC. So we're going to come back from that PVC back into the original concrete pipe. No work was done on this section of the piping. This is the original 6-inch concrete pipe. This is still a section of shared line between 4609 Densmore and 1624 North 46th. Okay, slow down. Right there on the right side of the screen, come back real slow here, please, Chris. Backwards. Slowly. Back. You're good. Oh, go in a little bit, actually. Go in. In. Right there on the right side of the pipe is where, come back just a hair, is where 1624 ties into this line. So coming back from this point, the rest of the remaining line is 4609 Densmore's sole responsibility. We did some lining work in this part of the line as well. You can see the liner begins right there, immediately after where the neighboring house ties in and comes back towards the home here. So 6-inch diameter new flow cure-in-place pipe liner still. And lips right in, go in just a hair. That's just a little bit of tape, that'll kind of wash off. But the liner lips right in here to the existing liner. So push in just a little bit more. There was an already existing liner in this pipe. We lipped our new flow liner into the existing liner. So this is now a 4-inch section of liner that was already here. This is not the Bob Oates project. Where you saw that light blue section of liner end, that's where the Bob Oates liner ended. And this kind of greenish tinted liner is an existing liner that was already here. And we come back into PVC here. Again, existing PVC, not installed by Bob Oates. And we're going to come out of the clean out, give them a look at the clean out real quick. There's a look at the clean out we made this recording from. I'm going to end the recording there. Project complete.